In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello cards from checklist items. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board that contains the card with the checklist you want to work with. In this example, we're already inside a board, so the next thing to do is find the specific card that holds your checklist. Click on that card to open it. This brings up the full card view, where you can see all the details, including descriptions, due dates, attachments, and of course, any checklists that have been added. If your card has more than one checklist, take a second to make sure you choose the right one before moving on. Now click the checklist you want to split into separate cards. Trello lets you turn each checklist item into its own card, which is really useful if a simple checklist has grown into a full set of tasks that need to be tracked individually. For example, this can help when you want to assign different items to different people, move them through lists, or add deadlines and labels to each one. Next, look for the three dots next to that checklist. This opens the Checklist Options menu. Click those three dots, then choose Convert to Cards. As soon as you do that, Trello will take each item in the checklist and turn it into a separate card. This saves time compared to creating each card manually. And it also helps keep your workflow organized when a checklist becomes more detailed than a single card can comfortably handle. After the conversion, review the checklist items that are now separate cards. At this stage, it's a good idea to quickly scan through them and make sure everything converted the way you expected. You can then organize those new cards however you want inside your board. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, click Done to finish. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One quick tip before you go. This feature is especially helpful when you start with a rough checklist during planning, then later realize each item needs its own space for comments, attachments, and progress tracking. Converting the checklist into cards gives you more flexibility without having to rebuild your work from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully turned Trello checklist items into individual cards, making your board easier to manage and much better for tracking detailed tasks.